Ever wondered if you could sculpt a stronger, healthier body without ever stepping foot in a gym or lifting a single dumbbell? In this video, we're diving into 10 insanely effective body hacks that require zero equipment but deliver maximum results. Whether you're stuck at home, traveling, or just hate crowded gyms, these hacks will change how you approach fitness forever. Stick with me, because some of these methods are used by elite athletes and biohackers worldwide and they're surprisingly simple. Hit that subscribe button and join the journey to smarter, equipment-free fitness that fits your lifestyle. 1. Morning muscle ignition. Start your day with 5 minutes of explosive body movement to stimulate blood flow, ignite your metabolism, and awaken your muscles. Jumping jacks, high knees, or fast-paced shadowboxing works wonders. The goal isn't to exhaust yourself but to switch your body out of sleep mode. This habit boosts energy levels and sets the tone for movement throughout the day. Even a few dynamic stretches can wake up sleepy joints. It's about sending the message to your body, we're active today. You don't need gear, just willpower. Plus, early movement releases endorphins, making you feel happier instantly. Make it a ritual, not a chore. Do it in your pajamas if you must. What matters is that you move before the world distracts you. 2. The 60-second burn rule. Anytime you're idle, challenge yourself to do something active for just 60 seconds. Waiting for coffee to brew? Try wall sits. On hold on a call? Plank it out. These microbursts of effort compound over the day. They won't feel like exercise, but they'll torch calories. You'll also train your body to stay alert and strong. This rule redefines downtime and reclaims it for progress. It's functional fitness in disguise. You start realizing how much time you waste standing still. Burn fat while doing nothing extra, that's efficiency. Do it enough and it becomes automatic. Your body craves it after a while. It's a hack that turns time into a hidden gem. 3. Stairway strength protocol. If you have stairs, you've got a full body workout machine. Sprint up, walk down, repeat. Try skipping steps for added glute work. Use each stair as a lunge or calf raise platform. Do triceps dips using the edge. The variations are endless. This is low-cost, high-reward movement. Stairs also spike heart rate faster than most machines. They're brutal but in a good way. The elevation challenge also builds endurance. You'll feel legs of steel forming after just 1 week. Combine with the 60-second rule to add intensity. You'll never see a staircase the same way again. Climb to strength, literally. 4. Wall work. Mastery. Your wall is your new personal trainer. Wall sits train your legs, handstands build shoulders, push-ups against it challenge your chest. You can even use it for balance training. Walls don't move, which makes them ideal for controlled strength work. This hack transforms a static surface into a full-on resistance platform. You get isometric benefits without needing weights. It's especially great for people recovering from injuries. You'll develop insane muscular control. It's silent, effective, and space-saving. Build your strength with the help of gravity and your wall. Turn your room into a stealth gym. Progress in peace. 5. Reverse posture rotations. Most people walk around with tight shoulders and hunched backs. These slow, controlled shoulder rotations, arm swings, and spinal stretches restore posture. Do it while watching TV or scrolling your phone. It corrects damage from desk jobs and screen time. You'll start to stand taller and feel less tension. Good posture increases confidence, too. Your body speaks before you say a word. This hack is about reclaiming your natural alignment. No tools, just awareness and motion. Do it in under 3 minutes, 2 to 3 times daily. Flexibility and pain-free movement are the new strength. Fix posture, fix everything. 6. The silent core squeeze. This is your invisible ab workout. While sitting, walking, or even lying down, tighten your core muscles as if bracing for a punch. Hold for 15 seconds, release, repeat. It's isometric training in stealth mode. Do it during Zoom calls, commutes, or even while eating. Over time, your abs adapt and get stronger. This technique supports your spine and flattens your belly without a single crunch. It's how dancers and gymnasts maintain tight cores. It also improves your mind-muscle connection. You'll start doing it automatically. Your core becomes your silent strength base. Hack your abs with no one noticing. 7. The water weight trick. Every time you drink water, perform 10 air squats or leg raises. Hydration meets activation. You'll stay moving and hydrated simultaneously. It also creates an association fluid in, energy out. This builds a rhythm of fueling and using. Bonus. You train your lower body while improving circulation. You're teaching your body to respond to fluid as fuel. Use a water bottle as light resistance if needed. It adds intentional movement to a daily necessity. This hack doesn't cost time, it saves it. Health is momentum, and this keeps it flowing. Drink, move, repeat. It's that simple. 8. Breath Boost. Fitness-focused controlled breathing is your untapped energy source. Practice box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4, to reset your nervous system. Do it during stress or fatigue. It lowers cortisol, increases oxygen delivery, and improves endurance. You can do it lying in bed or standing in line. Over time, you'll breathe deeper even subconsciously. This trains your body to perform under pressure. Many elite athletes use it before competition. You're tapping into your physiology to gain control. Better breath means better workouts. Hack your fitness at the cellular level. Oxygen is your secret weapon. 9. Furniture. Fitness flow chairs, countertops, and even beds can become fitness stations. Use the edge of a chair for triceps dips. Use your bed for incline push-ups. Counters are perfect for elevated planks. This hack transforms your living space into functional zones. It's about adapting, not buying gear. Your surroundings become your workout allies. It's surprisingly fun and creative. Plus, it lowers the barrier to action. No setup required. Just decide and do. It's fitness without friction. Movement hides in your furniture. Now reveal it. Turn your home into a full-body studio. 10. The mirror motivation method. Stand in front of a mirror daily and strike a confident pose. Flex, smile, or just hold a strong posture. This creates a powerful visual affirmation loop. Your brain associates strength with what it sees. Over time, it becomes internalized. Add 30 seconds of bodyweight movement like squats or push-ups while looking in the mirror. You'll witness your effort, track progress, and stay accountable. This hack adds psychology to your physiology. Visual feedback boosts consistency. You'll see strength and feel it. Make your reflection your motivation. The body follows where the mind believes. You don't need a gym membership, fancy machines, or even workout clothes to build the body you want. Just these smart, simple hacks and the willingness to move with purpose. If today's video opened your eyes to how possible fitness really is, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a fresh, functional strategy to level up your life. I'm dropping more no equipment, no excuse methods every week, and your journey is just getting started. Let's break the myths and build real habits together. No fluff, just results.